Hello everyone and welcome to Travel Hot List. In today's episode we are traveling to Paris in France. Come and discover the Eiffel Tower on the only trip to the top of its kind in Europe, and let pure emotions carry you from the Esplanade to the top. The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron lattice tower that is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. It was constructed from 1887 to 1889 as the centerpiece of the 1889 World's Fair. It has become a global cultural icon of France and one of the most recognizable structures in the world. This 324-meter-high landmark is the most visited monument with an entrance fee in the entire world. It was designated a Monument Historique in 1964 and was named part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The tower has 3 levels for visitors, with restaurants on the first and second levels. The top level's upper platform is 276 meters above the ground, the highest observation deck accessible to the public in the European Union. One of the 7 wonders of the world, Eiffel Tower is situated on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France. Its design and beauty, especially as it glows after dark, have made it one of the most visited monuments in the world. In June 2003, the city of Paris relit the beautiful twinkling lights on the tower, one of the highlights of the Millennium celebrations.